Hey guys, what's up? I'm gonna play some Subway Surfers, and there's like some noise, but I'm gonna play Subway Surfers, and I just downloaded this, so I'm gonna play this. Yeah. There. Here's the trick. Get the double point. And you're a boy. Don't think like oh, that can't be. And let's see where I'm going. I'll just see these toes. Alright, let's do this. Wait, what? This is new. That is so new. Wait, is this a glitch? I don't know. And this is the is this the Halloween thing? It can't be. That's my mom. She's getting laundry. Oh, we're trying to get. Wait, what? What? Is that Mars? That's super fast. And also, I forgot. Subscribe this channel and leave a like on below and comment down below. Or leave a like on it. I found tea. Alright, we got this. Yeah. Oh, we need this. Oh, found the O. Mission Master. I got 2 power-ups. And I got that. Wait. Oh, shoot. No. But at least I got this. Yeah, I'm good. Finally, there's no water. That's fine. And that police has a dog. Is a dog a dog master? He's probably. Oh, there's the P. I found the whole word. I found stop. And I got hit. Yay. There's just a commercial or something. Oh, man, I have to watch it. I'll just wait. And if you want to hear some other YouTubes I have, if you want to like or subscribe, do it. Wait, what? I never got 2. Why is there a Halloween song? It's not Halloween yet. Here we go, the magnet. Got it. Now I can jump super high, like Mario, like this. Yeah! Woo-hoo-hoo! Yeah! Oh no! Oh no! Wait, what the? Guys, don't go over here. This is dangerous. This is dangerous. This is dangerous. We're on a train track. Oh. Yeah, I can do it again. And this is that. Alright. Just gotta wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. And boom. Like, oh yeah, I have to wait because I got hit by a train. It was just too much. Yes. And I'm flying. Oh my God. Please help me, God. Oh, I got the boots again. Yeah, hoo hoo hoo. Yeah, hoo hoo hoo. Yeah, hoo hoo hoo. Yeah, hoo hoo hoo. Yeah, hoo. Yeah, hoo. Here we go. Give me all that coin. Give me all that coins. Give me all that coins. Give me all that coins. Oh my God. Okay, bye. Oh my God. Oh my God. What do you guys want? Want to arrest me? Do it. Oh no. Oh no. Oh shoot. I got hit in the... Oh no. More.
Why invest in real estate?
We invest in real estate because
I invest in
Wait,
real
what?
estate to help others. I invest
What?
in real estate because I want to build my legacy and I want to make a major impact on other people's lives. I invest in real estate for my personal freedom.
because it allows me to create
Okay.
So that my son does not have to work for someone else if he doesn't want to.
because I want to retire my parents
Okay.
who have done so much to support
Okay.
the woman I am today.
To empower young women. For my son.
All right, keep going. Keep going. Because I will exit. I'm just gonna wait here. Boom. Now I can jump. Dang it.
Why invest in real estate?
We invest in real
Are
estate
you
because of our
serious?
families.
I invest in real estate to help others. I invest in real estate because I want to build my legacy and I want to make a major impact on other people's lives. I invest in real estate for my personal freedom.
Because it allows me to create generational wealth.
So that my son does not have to work for someone else if he doesn't want to.
Because I want to retire my parents who have done so much to support the woman I am today.
To empower young women.
For my sons. Because
Because I can do nothing. Here we go. I'm in the sky. No. Ooh. I'm doubling up. Okay. Yeah, oh. Yes. I'm getting another one. Oh my god. Why? I don't like commercials because it's just taking forever. Could I exit? Oh man. You just failed. Oh my god, I'm just waiting for her for like forever. Yes. I got it. Let's see what I did. Get the shop. What's this? Ooh, 14. I get this. And I got that. I can double it up for 6. You got me. You're gonna hear some noise in the bed. Yeah, you're gonna hear these noises like this, and like this, and like this, and like this. Yeah, whatever. And you fail. Whew. Do, 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 do. I can collect this. 1. I got a key. Another one. Got 2 hoverboards. Gonna double it up now. Well, I can't do anything. Okay. Oh wait, I can. Wow, I'm so stupid. Next level. Bye-bye. What? What? Oh. 13. Got you. I got money, 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 money. Money. Got a guitar. What else should I get? Yeah, I'm just gonna keep buying it. Money, 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 money. Money, 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 money. Oh. Don't know what that means. Oh, no, I gotta get some more. Yeah. Oh, wait, let me go check on the... I can get that. Oh, no, I can't. Because now I got Tricky. This one, yeah. He only has 1 guitar. Well, I'm getting Tricky since I got that. And I got selected. Oh, board. Oh my god. Wait, let me check here. Alright. Ooh. I should never buy anymore. Well, wait, which one do I got? I got that. Well, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe into the channel. I'll see you guys later. Make sure I can, if you know me, if I can watch more YouTube channels, and I'll see you around.